Okay, perfect. So the recording just started. Boom. One sec. Okay, perfect. So, people start joining. As usual, we need to block the kids from joining because they always have fun. Okay, so everyone, we're gonna go and we're gonna start going through all the charts, see what's going on, what happened in the market last week, what's currently happening, and what's gonna happen, why a lot of movement happened. So the first thing is we're gonna go on EURUSD. You know, the first thing we go always on the weekly charts to see what's going on. Let me just move this lower. Perfect. So we used to have like a bullish trend, then we have like a bearish trend that got broken, retested. So at the moment, we can guess that we're gonna have something bullish going like this, and that this trend is over. So EURUSD is going like this. Then we can readjust. I'm gonna delete. That was a key level where we got that trade before. Okay. On the daily, I'm going to look for the higher high. So the highest resistance, the resistance always touching the body of the candle. Then we have the lower low, the body here, boom. And so it's bouncing in between. We had a kind of small bearish trend. Once it hit the support, now it's retracing. There are no intra, you know, like this, because as you can see, worked, then broken, worked, broke. So it's not very like solid. So at the moment, if I would have like a global understanding about EURUSD, I would say there is nothing to trade. It's good to be patient, you know. Not trading is knowing how to trade, as I repeat you every single week. So at the moment, EURUSD, we're in the middle because we only trade based on supply levels, you know. So let me show you. Boom. So when we're near to a resistance, we can get into a short. When we're near to a support, we can get into a sell, into a buy. But the remaining of the time, when we're in the middle of nowhere, we don't trade because we don't know what's gonna happen with the market. You know, maybe it's gonna keep pushing higher. You know, here, let's say you have some people would draw like here kind of resistance, but you don't really know what's happening because see here worked, then broke, then kind of worked, but broke, then here worked, broke, broke, worked, broke. You see, so when you're in the middle, you don't really know. That's why we always trade when we're near to a resistance, we get into a sell, we catch a trend, and we're near to support, we catch a buy. So at the moment, EURUSD, there is nothing to do. And I guess that a lot of you gonna tell me, but yeah, but Switzy, why we had like a major spikes? All of this is related to the NFP. So we're just gonna do some news. So we're gonna go on time frame, and every first Friday of the month, there is something called NFP. Okay, apply. So we go back to Friday. We select the most important news, and here we go. Here we had the NFP, non-farm payroll. Okay, so I'm gonna open it in a new tab. So for those who don't know, non-farm payroll measure the change in the number of people employed during the previous month. Excluding the farming industry, job creation is the foremost indicator of consumer spending, which account for the majority of the economic activities. And this is very important. Now, I'm going to explain you how we analyze that data, okay? So let's say you have your own economy, the US economy, for example. We do a forecast. We say there is 150,000 jobs that's going to be created. That's our forecast. This is what we expect. So we base our thing on this expectation. But then what we see that there is 200,000 jobs. So there is 50,000 more jobs created. Is it good or bad for the economy? It's very good. It means the economy is outperforming. We have a lot of jobs created, and the economy is doing well. So when you have a higher number, okay, than the forecast, it's good for the economy and so good for the currency. And here is for the US. So it's a good news for the USD pair. Now let's say the opposite. We have 150,000 job forecast, but we only have 100,000 job created. It means the economy is not doing as good as we expected. So it means the USD is going to get weaker. We had 150K expectation. We have 100K job created. The economy is not going that well, and USD is getting weaker. So how does it work? If in our case, I'm going to share again my screen. Boom. Here we had 180K forecast, but we only ended up having 150K jobs. So it's bad for the economy, it's bad. And as you know, we are trading currency. So euro versus dollar, okay? Imagine euro, dollar. For euro USD to go up, okay, to have like a green candle, euro versus dollar. It's important to know it's euro versus dollar and not the dollar versus euro. It's euro versus dollar. And for euro USD to go up, so I'm going to share again my screen quickly so you see, to have like a green candle like this, okay, to go up, you have two possibilities, okay? To have a green candle like this, we have two possibilities. The first one would be euro, so euro USD, euro is pushing a bit stronger, okay? So if euro is pushing stronger here, we have more strength, euro is getting stronger. Or if it pushes the same thing, but euro, imagine pushes the same energy, yeah, same strength, but euro becomes weaker, then it's gonna go down. So for us, euro USD to go up, we need first euro to get stronger or dollar to get weaker. In our case, we had a forecast of 150, we got 180, we got 150. So USD got weaker. But because euro was still pushing at the same strength, but USD got a bit weaker, boom, we have a green candle. Okay, I'm just trying to make it very simple for you to understand. And this is what happened on Friday. As you can see, we had the green candle because it went all the way up. And you can see that everything started at the moment of the news. So here we were at the time. So on Wednesday, sorry, exactly, we're here. So here, NFP went all the way up. And this is why, simple. It went all the way up because of this news. Now, that was the explanation for Euro USD. Now you can look at all the pairs. So if we take GBP USD, you can see that the same thing happened with the candle. And all the way up, all the pair, because GBP USD, okay, we get on the same thing again. It's GBP versus USD. So for GBP USD to go up, either GBP become stronger or USD get weaker. And here, all the pair, something versus dollar, went up. And as you can see, I was showing you, Euro USD went up, GBP USD went up, NSD USD went up, okay? And if you look on the other way around now, for example, if we take USD CHF, it went down massively because now it's the other way around. It's not the other currency versus the dollar. Now it's the dollar versus something else. So here we had USD CHF, okay? So USD versus CHF. And because USD got weaker, USD CHF went down, as simple as it is. Okay, perfect. So that's it. Now also, what I want to tell you guys is, yeah, always watch the news. So tomorrow, do we have some news? We have some news coming at 10:30 about the AUD pair. So AUD CAD, USD AUD is gonna AUD USD, sorry, is gonna have some movement at 10:30 p.m. But it's fine. That was the main thing. Now, I also want to talk to you about Tradelitic, guys. It's a very good software that I would highly recommend to everyone. Tradelitic. So it's a website. I'm gonna send you the link right now. I'm gonna send it in the chat. So everyone, it's a free tool that's gonna help you to track everything. So I posted here. Wait, let me share my screen. So in the chat you will see. So when you click and go on tradelitic.com, you sign up. Okay, it's very easy. It's free. You don't pay nothing. you do the process, and here you go on the top right, and you account settings, and you press add account. You put your name, so you can put like Mr. Alex. Then you put the platform, so MT4. Then you put your MT4 logins, your password, and then your server. So if you're on T4 Trade, you can just put all the information. It's gonna load. It takes some time. Then you take your server, blah blah blah, put information. And what's good is that you can see all the trades. So on Wednesday, I made £8,100. That's an account that I manage. Yeah, 8,100 here, 25,000 here, £3,800. So, and then you can go here. Sometimes it lags a bit, but it's good because you can see the trade you had. Boom. Are you positive? What's the plan you did? And at the end of the month, it makes you a very nice report. So it's a very solid software that you can save, and you also have some nice pictures to flex here. Look, for example, you see here, look, automatically, then you can scan with the QR code. It's very, 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 very good. But yeah, that's the main thing I want to tell you. So guys, make sure you go on Tradelitic and have an account, because a lot of software, they charge you, give you some services. This is 100% free. You don't need to pay for nothing, guys. I don't know if you realize, but literally you come and you have an account where you can see metrics. You can do journaling for trading. For your trading career, it's very, very important. This is why I show you this one, and it's free. Normally someone just do metrics and some just do journaling. Here you have both. Normally you charge £30 here, £30 here. You have everything for free. So I would highly recommend you to go. Now we're gonna go back on the charts and see what's going on. So Euro USD, as we said, there is nothing to do. Okay. On the weekly, we had, let me clean the charts. Okay. Okay. Something like this. Okay, USDTHF is going up. We're gonna wait for the market to retrace down to that level to hit the trend. Then we're gonna be able to position ourselves. Then we're gonna throw the major resistance. And then because here it's empty, it's not gonna hit that level because of it's broken, limited because of the trend. You can just do a translation all the way following the trend here. You see, but it's good to have always your major key level. So yeah, that's what we currently have. At the moment, USDTHF, nothing to do, but it's gonna be very interesting very soon. We're gonna position ourselves into a buy position. And obviously, I would like always to add, this is not a financial advice. This is my personal opinion. And yeah, if you're getting into a trade, do your own research. But yeah, that's my personal opinion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into sharing my screen. I'm gonna send this in the Telegram. Perfect. So okay, boom. GBP USD. GBP USD, what's going on with that pair? Here it was a daily trend, so that's why. But on the weekly, we used to have this bullish trend, then now this bearish trend. We had a kind of strong key level here, but you can see that there is nothing to do on GBP USD. Oof, USD CAD very, very hot. Very USD CAD very, very hot. Once the trend is hit. Okay, So yeah, once it hit it, we're gonna get into a buy position. And it's the USD. Honestly, nothing to trade. And as the THF, we are waiting for the pair to retrace a bit higher. GBP USD, I think. And that's it, to be honest. For me, that's like the most pair I'm into it, you know. So for me, there is nothing to trade. And as I always tell you, we need to be patient. So that's it for this session, guys. Also, what I wanted to tell you is go on Tradelitic. So I'm gonna just open the chat for everyone and allow. Okay, people can talk now. Chats, guys, make sure you go on Tradelitic. Okay, T-Spur is very important for you guys, so you can go there and learn for literally free. Wait, how do I stop recording?